Hello everyone, welcome back to my SAP channel, SAP Artist.
Please do like, share, and subscribe the channel for more SAP videos. So today's topic is SAP ALE data transfer from development quality to production, basically from one server to another server. So today I'll be going through the process and I'll be showing example of. So here is the slide of ALE transfer from one server to another server. So one server to another server basically means development to quality, quality to production. So ALE stands for application link enabling. Okay. This process is used to transfer data from one server to another in SAP. We need to first upload the data in one server and then with the help of ALE transfer process can move it to another server. This process is used by some companies to maintain all their servers with same data to avoid mismatch. So today I'll be talking about transfer of data. So why I have taken this topic is we functional consultant are working in different type of projects like implementation, rollout, support. And in this, we are creating GL, cost center, profit center, etc. We need to create this in development, quality, and production server. So if you want to create in all three servers, then we use either LSMW, LTMC, or manually. Sometimes in some projects, if you see, all the servers are not in sync regarding master data. Some create directly in production also. Example, if the rights are with the business team, so what they will do, they will directly create the GL in production server. Okay. So they don't think about development or quality, anything, they just create it and it's done. Okay. But so if in that case, what will happen? So in development, you don't have that master data. Example, any GL, one GL is there, expense GL. Okay. So now if I want to create any report regarding there is one development which the user business has given, and regarding that we need to use that GL in that report, or any mapping of data. Example, that GL has to be mapped, okay, or any issue regarding that GL we want to check, we want to test, that won't be there in the development. So sometime it becomes confusing, or problematic. So then this problem comes, but see, it depends upon business to business and companies to companies. Okay. So what happens certain times, in different companies, there are different teams for creation of GL master, vendor master. They have separate teams. So over there, the consultant, functional consultant won't, this consultant will be there, but they have separate teams who will be managing this thing. Either it may be from the consulting team, or internally also they might have a team that also can be there. So it depends. So, and in some companies, business wants all data to be in sync in all server. So there you can use this process. Okay. So now example, I'll give you a very good example regarding this. Let's assume there is certain GL, 5 to 10 GL, which has to be created. Okay. In your company. Now business wants, to create all the GLs in this. So since business has that policy or process that they want the same data to be there in quality, development, quality, and production. Okay. Okay. So in that case, you can use this ALE process. Otherwise, LSMW is there or LTMC is there, you can use it. But I think this can be very easy also and helpful also if you want to use this process. Okay. That is also there. Oh, so I'll show you the process. Okay. How this is. And okay, now let's go to SAP. See here in SAP, in easy access, you have to go. Okay. So this is the menu. So you have to go to first here tools. Okay. Then you go to ALE, click on ALE here. Then master data distribution. You go to accounting here. Okay. Then you go to see there are multiple. Internal order is there, cost element, cost center, then activity type, profit center, and general ledger. So I'll be showing you about general ledger. So you can directly go to this also. You can see, you can use this also. See, this is a T code. Okay. BD18 you can use, or you can go to the path. Okay. So here what you have to do, you have to put the chart of accounts. What is your chart of accounts? Company code, account number. Let's assume I'm using this account number. Okay. I'll show you this here also. See here, this example I'm just using at the moment, this is here. Okay. Now, then logical message. If you click on this F4, you will see there are two, GL core and must. You will be selecting this GL master. Okay. Master data. Okay. Now receiving logical system. So this is something very important. Now where you want to transfer? You want to transfer in quality or production, you need to check that. Example, now let's assume 100 is for quality, 300 is for production. So you select 100 here for quality. Okay. Server group, leave it blank. This is fine. 20, let it be. Okay. After that, you execute. Okay. See, here you are not getting any, what we say, the information because it's a test system. Okay. But normally what will happen, you will get this kind of information normally, actually. This kind of information will be there. See, this is the same data which I filled. Okay. And this is the system, quality system which I'm talking about. So you'll get like this: two master header setup for message types and must, and two communication generated. Okay. Now, if you go to quality or production from, if you want to move, you can check this GL will come like this. Okay. Like this, it will show you in that system. Like this, it will be transferred. Okay. So this is like a very simple process which I believe I have used. So it is, which I find it very interesting also. Instead of using LSMW, LTMC, why to use it? You can click here, add multiple GL, whichever you require. Here is also there. Select the server. This either you can do it or the basis person might help you to do this. There are two things. Okay. Because normally what happens, certain companies are there, they want all in sync, so they create all the GLs in this, and certain GL, they don't create. Some people will directly have the access, some user will have directly access in production, they'll create directly in production. So for you becomes problem. Example, now the user has created, let's assume 1001 GL number is there, he has created there. Now you want to map it and process it and send it there to for some other mapping, or you want to use it and you cannot use that GL because already 1001 is there. So then again you have to change all those things. That becomes a very problematic issue. And in some cases, the consultant will be there. So they will check the number and they will only, like the GL information will be given by the business and you will only map it as required. So this process, I have shown this because functional consultants nowadays are working in multiple projects, implementation, rollout, and support. So where they can use this, instead of using like LSMW, LTMC, which you need to fill all the data and everything, you can use this. This is you can use it for other purpose also, as I showed, cost center, cost element, all these things also you can use it. Okay, so master data you can use it, to keep everything in sync. That way it will help you actually. So in this process, as I showed, you can just go there and pull all the data. Okay, same only. You can just use this T code, BD18, or you can just go there through mapping. Mapping, if you go, mapping in the sense through the path, you will get multiple things. Profit center, cost. You can use a lot of things. If you go by T code, you'll get the GL. Okay. And you can use this, you'll get like this, and this data will be sent. You can try this. If anybody requires, they can try this. They can go through this video, and I believe it will be very helpful. Okay, so they can go through this video and try to do it, and so that they don't have to go for LSMW everything, in each servers. So this is something which I found interesting, and I thought I'll share with the subscribers and the person who is going to see this video, so that they can use it actually. So thank you so much. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.